Oliver Batley back with another video, and today I'm with Morgan and Luke, who was in the last video, I believe, not the quick announcement one, the last actual scooting one. But yeah, we're just gonna get some clips, and because it's wet, we're just in the streets right now in Sandhurst. So yeah, we'll get some clips. Good clips at that other place, but we're just going to get some clips near the wreck Sandhurst Park anyway, because it's wet, you know. So yeah, get some clips. Whip out! Whip out! Whip out! Back to here. Oh, I thought we should go back.